Hey man, what happened? Why are you suddenly all red? What happened to you? Can you remove this? This is looking very weird. Why have you put a red film all over you? This is absurd. Can you take that down? This is wrong. This is not the way you do things. Why are you doing this? I often keep this red glasses in front of me in my coaching sessions. And whenever somebody is presenting a story to me from a particular point of view, I wear these glasses and ask this person, why are you red? And this is what happens when we walk around, wearing a point of view, not as a point of view, but as a glass which becomes transparent to us. We start to see the world colored by the lens that we're wearing, rather than seeing the world as it is. And imagine, right, what would happen if I meet a person who is wearing green glasses and I am wearing red glasses? We would have an argument, we would have a conflict over why the world is green or red. And this is what happens most of the time in organizations, in teams. Whenever people are arguing, they are not arguing about the facts. Most often they are arguing about the way, point of view, and opinion, a way of looking at the world, which is absurd as me saying, why are you red? It's not about you, it's about me. The redness is not a function of you, a property of you. It's how I am looking at you. This one simple prop that I have in my coaching session often brings a lot of humor, but also new insights. What are those viewpoints, opinions, ideas that you are wearing like red glasses and you're not seeing that you're wearing them? If you don't see that you're wearing red glasses, naturally the world will appear red to you. And then you will bump into everybody and you will see everybody as an adversary, everybody else who doesn't have the same glasses as you have. Take the red glasses off and meet the world where it is, not where you want it to be.